Are you 100% certain you're going to have a great retirement, or do you have any doubts? For a lot of people, doubts are starting to creep up, and it's understandable. The economy, having to pull from a 401k, uncertainty, gambling in the stock market, all of these are not conducive to building a retirement that is going to 100% ensure that you have a comfortable life in your later years. However, we have access to a variety of strategies that can guarantee that you don't outlive your money. And you can still participate in the market, but not lose a cent due to something called volatility control. Most people haven't heard about solutions such as these, but we work with A+ rated carriers and take the time to educate our clients about the strategies available to them. There is no cost or obligation to learn about strategies such as a fixed income annuity or other alternative platforms that can allow you to grow your wealth with guarantees and have that assuredness that you are not going to outlive your money. Now that sounds pretty nice. If you're interested in learning more, please reach out. Our website is blackhillsfinancialplanning.com, and myself or another agent will help you explore the options available to you. Thank you.